So, if you're starting your YouTube journey but in script writing, voice recording, or video editing, have no experience, today I'll show you how you can automate everything using just a few AI tools. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a brand new YouTube channel using just a few AI tools, from picking the perfect name and designing a professional logo all the way to making your very first video, and yes, it can be fully monetizable. By the end of this video, you'll see how we can hand over almost everything to AI and automate the entire YouTube creation process. Normally, when selecting a niche, we look at three factors: interest, experience, and profit. Then we choose a niche that lies at the intersection of these three. But since AI will be doing most of the work here, we can skip interest and experience and focus only on a niche with high profit potential. So I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to give me a list of the most profitable high RPM faceless niches on YouTube. And as you can see, it suggests many niches like finance, tech, business, crypto, and real estate, all with very high RPM. Out of these, I like the first idea the most: finance and investing, which is the king of RPM, so I'll go with that. Before we create a new channel, we'll need a name, a logo, a banner, and a simple channel description. Once again, we'll go to ChatGPT and tell it that we're starting a personal finance YouTube channel, and ask it to suggest some channel names that are simple yet unique. It will instantly generate many name ideas from which you can choose your favorite. I personally like simple names here, but before using one, we need to check whether it's actually okay to use or not. I'll go to YouTube and search for Money Nest Hub. Then, I'll go to Filter, select Type, Only Channel, and check multiple times to analyze the competition. Right now, there are only a few channels with this name, and even those channels don't have many subscribers, so I can easily rank with this name. So, I'll create a new channel and name it Money Nest Hub, and that's it. Our channel is ready. Now we just need to customize it. First, we need to design a logo. So if you already have an idea for the logo, then create it. Otherwise, we'll let AI handle this task. I asked ChatGPT to give me some channel icon ideas for a personal finance channel called Money Nest Hub. And as you can see, it generated a lot of cool ideas that fit perfectly with the niche. And the channel name, like a money nest, a minimal nest, or a shield nest wealth protection. All of these are great concepts for a personal finance channel. So you simply have to choose the one you like, and I personally like the first one. Now, to design this logo, you can choose from tools like Leonardo, Adobe Firefly, ChatGPT, Bing Image Generator, and many other AI tools. First, you need to decide which tool you want to use. I personally like the second option, Leonardo, so I'll go with that. Now, to design this logo, I'm going to use Leonardo. I want ChatGPT to create the first logo for me, so I'll ask it to give me a proper prompt that I can use to generate this concept in Leonardo AI. Here, I specifically asked for a detailed prompt based on my personal choice. You can also ask for different styles if you want. And as you can see, it has given us a detailed prompt, which we can directly copy and paste into Leonardo AI. So now I'll go to the Leonardo AI website, and here I'll click on the image generation tool. Then I'll simply paste the prompt into it. Next, select the model I like, the last one. From here, select Style 3D Render. Contrast high. Also, make sure your image dimensions are set to 1:1 because we need a square canvas. Then simply click on Generate, and it will start creating our logo. By the way, all the important prompts I'm using in this video will also be available in the description. Okay, so as you can see, it has created some really great logo designs. We didn't even have to think about the concept. We didn't use any design software. And even the prompt was generated by ChatGPT. So everything is automated by AI. Out of these, I think the fourth one looks the best. So I'll download it. Now, for the channel art, we won't spend too much time on it. I simply imported the logo into Photoshop, took the text from it, placed it on the right side of the logo, and done. Our channel art is ready. Finally, I'll ask ChatGPT to write a short and simple channel description for my personal finance YouTube channel named Money Nest Hub, and it will generate a description for us. Now, we'll go to YouTube Studio, open the channel customization page, upload our logo, channel art, and description, and publish the changes. So, there we go. Our channel branding is now fully complete, but it still lacks content. So, once again, I went to ChatGPT and asked it to suggest some video ideas for my personal finance YouTube channel. And I found one idea I really liked. Stop wasting money, 10 habits you need to quit today. Now, I'll show you how you can use AI to create a fully viral video on this topic. This is the most important part of the entire video creation process. And this is exactly where most people make the biggest mistakes. When it comes to writing a script using ChatGPT, 99% of people use a very basic prompt. Like, write a YouTube script for my video on stop wasting money. These are 10 habits you must quit today. Now, although there's nothing wrong with this prompt, if you give AI such simple instructions, your AI-generated script will never match a professional YouTuber's level. Plus, anyone can easily tell that the script was written by AI because it sounds very robotic. So, to solve this problem, we'll use a set of special instructions that will take your script to the next level. You can easily integrate these into your prompts. And when you see the results, you won't believe that it was written by AI. So, let's understand this with an example, what these instructions are and how to use them. First, I'll give the basic content. Write a YouTube script for my video on stop wasting money, 10 habits to quit today. Now, since we don't want a basic script, I'll add the word sophisticated, so it generates a more advanced level script. Next, the first instruction is video length. I want a 10-minute video, and since there are 10 points, I'll assign around 90 seconds to each point. Here, we are going to talk about audience demographics. In this, basically, you will provide the demographic of your target audience, like their age, gender, location, these things. For example, I can say that my audience is 18 to 30-year-olds living in the US. Of course, you can also add occupation, income, or language as demographic factors. Now, the next section is audience persona, which means the ideal viewer of your channel. What are their desires? What are their pain points? And why they watch your channel? These are the things you need to explain. For example, my audience is age 20 to 30 years old, living in the US, who want to make the right financial decisions and live a wealthy lifestyle. So, this becomes the audience persona of the channel. The fourth section is tone. You have to specify what the tone of the script should be, like casual, humorous, inspirational, or curious. Since I've created a finance channel, I'll go with a slightly inspirational and authoritative tone. The fifth instruction is storytelling framework. There are many frameworks for storytelling, like Hero's Journey, 3x structure, or problem and solution, which can make your videos more interesting. So, if you want to use any of these in your script, you can specify that. Then, the sixth instruction is emotional triggers. If your video triggers any emotion in the viewer, then the chances of the viewer watching till the end increase. So, I will tell ChatGPT to use emotional triggers like fear, excitement, and urgency. Then, the seventh instruction is retention tactics. To maintain audience retention, first, I will tell ChatGPT to use a strong intro hook. Then, you can also use pattern interrupts in between, like humorous comments or question to reset attention, so that the viewer's attention stays throughout the video. Then, I will tell ChatGPT to connect different points with each other so that the video becomes more interesting. You can also add a cliffhanger in the script, something that makes viewers watch till the end. Finally, the last instruction we will give to ChatGPT is to add a call to action. For example, I have another video on my channel about the how to make money online, and I want to redirect viewers to that video using the end screen. After giving all these instructions, we will enter the prompt and ChatGPT will start writing our script. And if you read the entire script, at the end, you will notice it creates a very strong introduction. It even tells you where the voice tone should change. And if you look closely at this point, he uses emotional triggers like excitement and urgency, and also he uses a pattern interrupt. And at the end, just look at CTA, how beautifully it is written. You won't be able to leave without clicking. Now, when it comes to voiceovers, There are many tools available, some free and paid. But the best tool among them is ElevenLabs. For example, you can compare a voiceover generated from a free tool versus one generated using ElevenLabs.
What if I told you you're losing thousands of dollars every single year, not because you don't earn enough, but because of habits you don't even notice?
What if I told you you're losing thousands of dollars every single year, not because you don't earn enough, but because of habits you don't even notice?
There's a huge difference between the two. The ElevenLabs voice sounds very realistic, whereas free tools sound very robotic. Now, we will simply copy this script, go to the ElevenLabs website, and paste it into the text-to-speech tool. And yes, you can only generate up to 5,000 characters at a time. So, if your script is longer, you will have to generate the voiceover in separate parts. Then we have the option to select the perfect voice. You can search here. You can play a sample of each voice and decide which one is best for you.
Hey, Adam here. Let's create something that feels real, sounds human, and connects every time.
The best teaching does more than explain information. It guides attention, builds understanding, and makes complex ideas feel accessible.
I will select Chris's voice because it matches exactly what I want. Next, we click on Settings. The first option is Stability. If you keep stability low, your voice will be more dynamic, with more variation in tone, emotion, and pacing. But if you keep stability high, your voice will stay very consistent. That means tune, emotion, and pacing will not change much. Then comes Similarity. This decides how close your voiceover matches the original voice. Since I like Chris's voice, I will keep it high. And finally, click on Generate Speech, and ElevenLabs will start creating your voiceover.
What if I told you you're losing thousands of dollars every single year, not because you don't earn enough, but because of habits you don't even notice?
Now, in ElevenLabs, you can only generate 10,000 characters of audio every month. With this amount, you can produce roughly one 8 to 10 minute video. If you have 4 different accounts, you can easily create 4 videos per month. Otherwise, you can get for a paid plan, which would be a very good investment if you are serious about YouTube automation. To begin editing, first import your AI-generated voiceover into any video editor. Identify and cut out all the empty spaces, silences parts in the audio, and delete them. Be careful not to remove the natural pauses within the voiceover to keep the speech sounding human. Next, we will go to ChatGPT. At the beginning, just type /visuals and let AI do the magic. It's a simple command that instantly gives you high-quality visuals. And tell it that we are making a faceless YouTube video and need a visual for every line or paragraph of the script. I will paste the lines from my script one by one, and you will provide a prompt so that I can generate visuals for that line using AI. As you can see, ChatGPT will then be ready to provide those image prompts for us. Simply copy the first line or the first paragraph of your script and paste it into ChatGPT. From there, you will have your first image prompt. You will continue to copy lines from the entire script one by one and paste them into ChatGPT, which will continue providing image prompts for you. Generating these images is also very simple. Just copy the prompt. Paste the prompt into the Leonardo AI image generator. On the left side, select the image dimensions and ensure they are set to 16:9, as these visuals are intended for a YouTube video. Click on Generate, and the visual for one scene of your video will be ready. Since the free version of Leonardo AI provides 150 tokens per day, you can generate approximately 6 different scenes. If you choose a preset other than Leonardo Phoenix, fewer tokens will be consumed. By signing up with 3 different email accounts, you can increase your output to 30 images per day. That is a very clever way to maximize your daily assets without needing a paid subscription. If you run out of tokens, you can use Ideogram AI, which is another excellent image generation tool. Simply copy and paste your prompt and ensure you select 16:9 as the aspect ratio. Since this tool also has a daily limit on image generation, the best approach is to use both Leonardo AI and Ideogram AI together. As you can see, the tool has created an image exactly like the prompt provided. Combining multiple AI tools is a smart way to bypass those daily limits and keep your production moving. Once all the images are collected, import them into the video editing timeline in the correct sequence and manually synchronize them with the voiceover. This stage allows for creative freedom. where you can customize the video by adding various transitions and effects. A simple dip to black transition can be placed between images to bridge the scenes, which looks something like this. See the difference? Now it's looking so much better. To counter a static or boring appearance, use keyframes to implement a slow zoom effect on the images, adding necessary movement to the scene. Now, this looks so much better. Next, subtitles need to be added throughout the entire video. The opacity of the images will be reduced to ensure the text is clearly visible for the audience. Also, you might have noticed that I have left some area empty between these images. I will fill those gaps with a light leak motion background clip. This is done so that when the subtitles are written over it, it looks good. Finally, I will import a free music track into the video, which I downloaded from the YouTube audio library. And then I will export the video. After the video is exported, we will go to new.express.adobe.com. You can create professional captions for your videos in just a few clicks. From here, select Caption Video to get started. Then simply drag and drop your video right here. Yes, it's that easy. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You'll see a variety of caption styles. Just pick the one that perfectly matches your video's vibe. But wait, if you want full creative control, click on Open in Editor. Now you're in complete control. You can edit your text exactly the way you want, and even choose your desired font style to match your content. Ready to export? Just click the download button to export your video with subtitles. You can also choose from different video formats depending on your needs. Always select high-resolution 4K video quality for the best results. And finally, just click download and your captioned video is ready to go. Here's alternative tool, ClipChamp, to create free subtitles. ClipChamp is a solid free alternative, especially for avoiding watermarks. With this, you can also generate subtitles for your videos, and that too without a watermark. Of course, it doesn't have as many customizations as Adobe.com, but it will get your work done. So finally, we have made the entire video. Sorry, the AI has made the entire video. Come on, let's see the final result once.
What if I told you you're losing thousands of dollars every single year? Not because you don't earn enough, but because of habits you don't even notice. Think about the last 7 days. How much money did you spend that didn't actually improve your life? And here's the scary part. Most people don't realize this until it's too late. Until they're stuck in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, wondering where it all went wrong. But not you, because today, you're about to uncover the 10 silent money killers that are draining your bank account. And once you see them, you can't unsee them. And trust me, number 7, that one alone could be costing you more than all the others combined. Let's get into it. Number 1, buying things to impress people. Let's be honest. That expensive outfit, that flashy phone, that brand name you had to show off, was it really for you? Or was it for them? Here's the truth. People are too busy worrying about their own lives to care about yours. And yet, you're spending your future trying to impress people who won't even remember it. Wealthy people build assets. Broke people buy appearances. Quick reality check. Would you rather look rich or be rich? And speaking of things we buy emotionally,
Now, before we upload this video to the Money Nest Hub channel, we will have to go to ChatGPT one last time. We'll tell ChatGPT that we have made a YouTube video with the title, Stop Wasting Money, 10 Habits to Quit Today. Give us 5 different thumbnail ideas for this video, and also give a prompt so that we can create those thumbnails using an AI image generator tool. Using AI to brainstorm visual concepts is a great way to optimize for engagement. I like the 4th idea here, burning money. So I will simply copy this prompt that ChatGPT has given and then paste it into Leonardo AI. We will keep the image dimensions at 16:9, and we'll click Generate. Okay, finally, it has made these 4 thumbnails. Personally, I liked this one the best, so I will use it. And I have added some text to it myself, which I think looks pretty good. Now, to add text, we simply write this line right here. Bold, large text, you're doing this, in uppercase, modern YouTube thumbnail typography, thick font, white and yellow gradient text with black outline and drop shadow, positioned on the left side, so once it generates more images with text, I really like this image. So I'll simply upscale them to enhance the quality, and then download it. The added text definitely helps the thumbnail stand out. So if you have come this far, then comment, "Making AI videos is fun," and like the video. Now, before you go, if you're serious about growing on YouTube in 2026, I've put together a complete step-by-step course that shows you exactly how to start and scale your channel from scratch. Just click on the video appearing on your screen right now. You'll love it. And yeah, I will meet you there. Bye!